Hey there, I'm back again. Let's do another video. So we have our hair all nice and greasy from our styles the last couple of days. Let's go ahead and throw our hair up today, do an updo. I'm feeling something kind of simple. Let's see if we can't find something that everybody can do. I feel like maybe if we do some kind of ponytail updo, it'll help. You know, if you have a hard time getting your hair up and putting the bobby pins in, a good thing to do is put some ponytails in your hair and just so that it already gets it up and gives you a base. So we'll put some ponytails up here. Bang back out a little bit. Ooh, that looks cute already. Hey, new style right there. You can rock that all day, huh? If you're 12, maybe. Alright. Bring a ponytail right up the middle of these ones. And remember, all we're going to do is back comb all this hair so that it's fat and fluffy, and then just pin it in. Okay, one more ponytail. You want to bring them up as high as you can. You need them to be full with the other ponytails. Okay, then you take your trusty comb, right? Pull up your ponytail. And you just want to back comb and make it fat. Let's do a little, you can see up. Okay, back comb and make it fat. You take sections of your ponytail. Back comb and make it fat. Look how great and fluffy that one is. You got one more ponytail in the back. You do that in sections because we need that back one really full. Okay, so this is what we have, is big, full back comb craziness, right? So you have your bobby pins. And you just take it, take this and pin it over this way, okay? I'll separate that. Pin that way. Do another little curl, pin this way. We're just doing like some pin curls. Got that name because you curled it and pinned it, just like we're doing. So that little middle ponytail that we had, we'll curl one forward. You can leave the ends kind of out and wild. Take another piece of that ponytail. Start with the back one. Remember, I don't use a mirror. I just feel my way. And put the hair up. Do some on this side. We'll separate this by combing. Okay. One last piece. Oh no, we got like two. This last little thing that's hanging out. Let's back comb it so it's fluffy like the rest. And then you have a cute, messy, fabulous updo for the day. You threw some ponytails in, you back combed, you curled it, you pinned it. People will be like, oh my gosh, that's so cute. And you know how we are. Stick a flower in it, accessorize, make it feel lovelier than it really is. Go to the dollar store. They have tons of little hair flowers there. Pick up regular flowers at the dollar store. Anything cute that you want to put in there. Dazzle it up, looking good, feeling great. That's what it's all about. Style your hair, get it done, and feel good for yourself. That you've done it, you're done up, you can go out. This is actually like a day to night kind of style. You can actually go get some drinks with your girlfriends after this, okay? Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, press like, subscribe, tell your friends, and I will see you tomorrow with a new style.